Hello everyone. Today we have this Azure Sphere kit, and I have ordered some certain devices that can be integrated with this device, and today we are going to unbox these devices. So basically, what I have here a box in which we have the microelectronic bus and certain um, devices that can be integrated. I'm going to open them. They are not available here in India. I think I have also ordered a Groove starter, IoT starter kit. So, how do I open this? Oh, here. This device is from Mauser, and let me put that away. Okay, the package is not that much. So, here's the list. Micro 1370 and Seed Studio multifunction sensor development kit. So basically, in this is a part of an event. This video series is part of this event, Azure Secure Everything. I'll throw a link in the description. They're not included any padding. I don't know why. There is too confident on its delivery of services. Anyway, this must be the clipboard. This is the clipboard. This is one what I've been waiting for. Yeah. So this one is the clipboard. It's come in a small package. Carries two. Okay, there are two devices in this. That's cool. Hmm, where is my knife? Okay, so comes in a very neat package. Okay, pull out. This one says you need to pull out. Okay, I'm trying. It's not coming. Okay, clipboard. Okay, like this. It has only one. It says two. It's misleading. So this is the relay, and it's a micro click board. As you can see, zooming here. It's not zooming. Let me try it with the camera. Okay. So this board will fit directly. Okay. Yeah, that's like it. Yeah. And uh, let's open the next kit. This is the Azure Grove Starter Kit. Okay, here are the list of items that are inside. Let's see. Okay, it's one shield, one rotary angle sensor, light sensor, buzzer, relay, blue LED button, temperature, humidity, and OLED display. Okay, they come in colorful packages. There's another relay. Now we have a Grow OLED display. This must be the development board. This one is the rotary angle sensor. It's basically a potentiometer, I think. Yeah, it's a potentiometer. It's a buzzer, one LED button, temperature and humidity sensor. So that's it, guys. These are the devices which I have ordered from uh, Micro Electronics. The link is in the description. So this part is this whole thing is I bought for an ongoing event, and we will see more of these videos on how to integrate them with the Azure M3620 device and how this whole thing will play out. So see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and there will be more content like this. See you next time. Thank you.